Female in the team.
请来宾向右前方看，6机超密集大舰队队形飞过来了，他们将要做的动作是6机大舰队通常。
The 6 aircraft are flying to us and about to perform a 60-degree banking circle while maintaining a tight delta, twin delta formation.
这个动作展示了坚实战机的水平机动。
Demonstrating the maneuverability of the J-10s in a vertical plane. Always impressive to note how the planes stay in this tight formation. Coming in now in the close delta formation, and they're about to make a loop. The loop, a classic maneuver for fighters, easy when done in a single plane. Right now engaging in what is a formation roll. The single fighter performing a horizontal roll and Immelman, and then circling. Now from the left, the 4 aircraft are going to be turns, followed by an oblique loop, all while maintaining their formation. A soaring dragon. Number 6 there demonstrating once again the fine maneuverability and agility of this plane.
实战机良好的稳定性。看，它如同正在空中漫步。
Demonstrating the J-10's stable performance, almost as if the fighter is able to walk on air. Eyes to the left as our four fighters prepare for the upward blossom, and that's coming up in just a moment.
Money shot, money shot.
开花，
结果
Blossoming. Turn. This maneuver requires the pilot to have very accurate 3D orientation and control. The five fighters right in front of you about to perform a horizontal upward blossom, and this maneuver symbolizes the blossoming of the friendship between Singapore and China, which will gorgeously bloom forever.